So, viewers, today we are taking a closer look at Higgsfield AI and exploring what many believe could be its most exciting upgrade so far. Yes, I am talking about Kling 3.0 or Kling 3.0. This upcoming video model is already creating serious buzz in the AI content space. Before we dive in, a quick clarification note for all my viewers. This video is meant to inform and explore possibilities. It's not a promise of features, access, performance, or outcomes. Platform evolve and details may change, so always rely on official sources for the latest updates. Let's discuss it in details. Viewers, Hexfield AI is a modern creative platform built to convert ideas, whether text, whether images or concepts, into polished video and visual content instead of relying on multiple content and multiple disconnected tools. Hexfield brings together cinematic control, motion system, AI generated characters, and storytelling capabilities in one cohesive workspace. The goal is simple: help creators move from concept to completion faster without the traditional complexity of video production, whether you are just starting out or already experienced. Now let's move to the spotlight feature. Link 3.0 signal expectations and early understandings. So now shifts focus to the Link 3.0, the most anticipated evolution with the Higgs field ecosystem and a major point of discussion among AI creators. Link 3.0 is expected to function like a digital film director, combining visuals, built-in audio scenes, sequencing, and cinematic decisions making into a single generation process instead of assembling clips piece by piece. Creators may be able to generate full narrative sequence in one continuous workflow based on available information. Early previews and platform signals. Link 3.0 is widely expected to introduce native 4K cinematic output, cleaner detail, sharper visuals, and improved overall clarity. Built-in audio generation, voice and sounds elements align directly with characters and scenes, multi-scene story creation, automatic camera shift transitions, and sequencing without manual editing. And prompt-based creative logic, the ability to adjust scenes, motion, and pacing through natural language instead of timelines. Improved scene stability, remote support for video up to roughly 15 seconds with reduced visual drift and better continuity. While final specifications have not been officially announced or locked in, the direction suggest a smarter, more cohesive video generation engine. So viewers, creators who have already worked with earlier Kling versions such as Kling 2.6 often point out stronger lip synchronization, smooth motion, and more convincing audio alignment. Many expect Kling 3.0 to combine these strengths into a unified experience, reducing reliance on external editing tools and enabling longer, more story-driven outputs. That said, until official releases arrive, these insights remain expectation rather than confirmations. So you can check out each and every detail here. Intelligent scene reasoning. You can check out community over 15 million users. Here you can check out the reviews of different users. You can join a global creative network where people generate images, share ideas. So if you want to enter the new era Kling AI creative engine, join the wait list. And here you can also check out glance at pricing plans. So viewers, Hexfield offers a range of subscription options designed to grow with creators, starting from free tier and with a basic plan just $9 per month. So you can check out increased credit and access to the essential features. Pro plan, faster processing speeds and higher creative output limits, and the ultimate plans with $49 per month, a large credit pool, unlimited image generation, and advanced tools. And creator limited pricing plan with just $149 per month and with 6,000 credit per month, a large credit pool, a premium tier that includes features like AI influencer studio, cinematic bundles, and higher concurrency. So these are the amazing pricing plans. And now here you can also check out how to create a video. The process is as under. First of all, you will have to upload a image. You can also create image, and you can also download it from your browser. You can also pick it from your memory, from your PC storage, or you can also create through the Hexfield image creation feature. So you can create image, you can download image, and then you can use this image to create a video. So after creating the image, you will have to put a prompt. You can write a clear and in detail prompt describing the scene or the story, define motion elements such as camera direction, lightning, and overall mood, and then you can click generate and allow the AI to build the video sequence in just minutes. Still visuals can transform into dynamic share ready videos. So if you want to refine your prompt and regenerate until the output matches your creative vision, you can do it. So the process is very simple. And now let's talk about the social media community. Hexfield has a wide range of social media communities. You can check out Hexfield on TikTok. It's also available on LinkedIn, and here you can see that it's also available on X. So you can join these social media communities. These social media communities maintains an active presence across different. These platform regularly features rare creator experiments, feature highlights, workflows, breakdowns, and updates. The community atmosphere encourages sharing, experimentation, and collaborative learning among creators at every level. So links have been given in the description of the video. I would like to recommend all my viewers to join all these social media communities. So viewers, at the end we can say that Hexfield AI is already redefining how creators approach video production, and Link 3.0 appears poised to take that evolution even further. With cinematic visuals, native audio, and intelligent scene generation on the horizon, the platform is clearly focused on simplifying high quality storytelling. If you are aiming to expand your creative toolkit without getting lost in technical complexity, Hexfield is a platform worth watching closely. If this breakdown helped clarify what's coming next, show your support with a like, share your thoughts on Clink 3.0 in the comment section, and keep pushing your creative boundaries. Until next time, like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe.